I'd never made a hot process shrub, so I decided that my first cranberry shrub would be with the hot method. I used cranberries, mandarin oranges, peels and all, fresh rosemary leaves, and a stick of cinnamon. I put it all in a pot with water and some golden sugar, heated it, and simmered it for just a few minutes before turning off the heat and letting it cool. Easy peasy. Once it cooled, I strained it and added cider vinegar and white balsamic vinegar. Straining it was not easy. Where it is easy to press the juices out of fruits that are raw, it was a lot harder to get the juices out of the cooked berries without also getting a lot of sediment from the fruit. Even after straining it 3 times, I wound up with a shrub that had quite a lot of sediment, as you can see in this picture of a shrub made with the hot method and an apple shrub made with the cold method. But it tastes great, and it was ready to drink right away.